planks. And that's where we're eating tonight. $14.99 a person, plus 20% gratuity. And it's a barbecue joint, right? Ducks. And I asked for a table by the window because the sun is setting. Hi.
Hi, sir. Look at how pretty that is.
Look how pretty she is. So, well, that's not really a basket. Well, maybe it is, but this is honey baked bacon and cheddar cornbreads with jalapeno honey butter and creamy pimento cheese.
Like the creamy pimento cheese better. This is the jalapeno honey butter, but it doesn't taste very
Jalapeno-y.
jalapeno-y. It just tastes like honey butter.
That's what I thought. And the sun is making progress to the horizon. Remember, this is honey baked bacon cheddar cornbreads. And I think that's a little piece of bacon right there, but they need to put more bacon and more cheese in it if they're going to call it that. So we made our order. We're getting, between the two of us, we're getting one of every plank, so we can tell you about it. We're getting, each getting a different starter and a different dessert. So we will have eaten everything on the menu by the time we're done. That's the salad, and this is the chowder.
They both look good.
So we finished the salad, we finished the soup. I like the soup better because I don't like their ranch dressing on the ship. It's too sweet, but this salsa is spicy.
And it's the only salsa on the ship that is spicy.
Yeah. If you get some out of the buffet or in the dining room for tacos or whatever, no spice whatsoever. But anyway, main course coming up. So Janet says there's pork ribs. That's shredded chicken, right? Smoked chicken, barbecue chicken. And I have, I think that's pulled pork, that's brisket, and that's sausage. They also give you onion rings, macaroni and cheese, some coleslaw, pickles, fries, a little piece of bread here, and yum, baked beans. Or some sort of bean. There's the brisket. That's fat. Bon appetit. I've eaten some of the coleslaw. It's delicious. The onion rings are not crispy, like they've been sitting around. Janet says the macaroni and cheese is delicious though. So I'm a little bit about halfway done. Macaroni and cheese is good. Coleslaw was very good. The wedge fries are good. Like I said, the onion rings are a little soft, not crispy. The winner for me is the pulled pork and the rib. Pulled pork and rib. Sausage was fine. The chicken is a little, well, more than a little dry. And the brisket is too tough. But, you know, I guess it's like all meat, it's hit and miss, right? This roll is delicious though. Tastes buttery. These are beans, and you'll have to ask somebody else how they were. And we're getting full, and I mean really full. Janet hasn't even eaten a rib yet. That's a big pile of chicken there. Here's our dinner, and we decided to each get a different dessert. They only offer 2. And this is overboard banana pudding. And I think I see slices of bananas down there. So Janet will probably enjoy most of that. And then this is king plank chocolate cake. And the pan here is freezing cold. I see some pecans there, and I'm not sure if those are nuts or what.
Marshmallows?
Oh yeah, marshmallows, huh? Crushed candied pecans. Well, those are not candied. But anyway, I'll let you know how it is. Well, Janet's wanting me to taste her banana pudding because there's vanilla cookie crumbles in it. Oh yeah. Oh, and banana. So that's okay. I like the cookie crumbles. It's like a crumble.
I didn't like that.
This, first of all, the pecans are not candied. And this is marshmallows and cake or something. But there is this layer that is just gritty. I mean, it's like eating sand, I hate to say. Some people must like it, would like it. It's not to my liking though. So Janet managed to eat all that. I managed to eat some of that. Janet managed to eat a bite. And we're done now. Yeah. Would we recommend planks? Yes. The barbecue is good. The salad and the soup was good. The chowder. Macaroni and cheese. Almost everything was good, and it's only $15. So they need to replace that dessert though. So from Planks on Princess, I'm Gareth.
And I'm Janet.
And we'll see you in the next port, or maybe just on board in the restaurant. Bye.